The backbone of FlexLink's worldwide manufacturing and supply chain is located in Poznan, Poland. From this International Distribution Center, we provide products and solutions to global customers. Our supply ranges from components and conveyor modules to large turnkey projects, including robotics. We rely on our engineering expertise and extensive application knowledge to solve the most demanding production challenges across various industries. We combine manufacturing, assembly and warehousing at our Polish plant to offer speed and flexibility to customer demands. A short lead time is essential for keeping our customers operational. Therefore, we keep most of our standard components in stock, ready for immediate dispatch. Our experienced customer service team is always on hand. In addition, through virtual remote assistance, we can support you immediately with troubleshooting and maintenance. At FlexLink, you will find 40 years of industry experience and a global partnership network with a local presence. We want to ensure you have complete line efficiency and trouble-free operation. What's your challenge? How we can help?